Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys Kitchen. Today we are going to make simple chicken biryani. Are you a bachelor or beginner? Let's try this biryani recipe.
It's a quick recipe. This tasty and yummy chicken biryani doesn't take much preparation time. You will definitely enjoy this tasty biryani recipe. Let's move to the video. To cook the chicken in a heavy bottom pan, heat 6 tablespoons oil. Add 5 medium size sliced onion. Fry on high flame for 10 to 12 minutes. While frying onion, add 1 teaspoon salt. Until onion turns light brown in color. Add 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste. Mix it well, saute it for 2 minutes on low heat. Now add 1 kg chicken with bones. Mix it and fry on high heat for 3 minutes. Then add 1 cup of water. And 5 tablespoons ready-made biryani masala. Mix it well, fry on medium flame for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, add 4 medium-sized chopped tomatoes. Mix it well and cook on medium flame for 5 to 6 minutes till tomato becomes soft. Keep it low flame and add 4 tablespoons whisked curd. Give a stir. Add 1 cup of chopped coriander leaves and 1 cup of mint leaves. Also add 6 green chilies. Cook on low heat for 2 minutes until oil separates. For chicken to be boiled well, close the lid and cook for 8 to 10 minutes on low flame. In between, open the lid and give a stir. Now open the lid and cook for another 10 minutes and dry up excess water to get thick gravy. This time don't close the lid. To cook the rice, in a heavy bottom pan add around 2.5 liters of water. Boil on high flame until bubbles comes. Once the water starts bubbling, add half teaspoon cumin seeds, 4 cardamom, 4 cloves, 2 pieces of cinnamon sticks, 2.5 tablespoons salt and boil it. Stir well for salt to get dissolved. The water must be salty. Once the water starts boiling, add 4 cups of strained basmati rice and stir well. We need to soak the basmati rice before using. Soaking for 30 minutes would be fine. Boil on high heat for 7 to 8 minutes. In between, gently stir the rice. For layering the rice and the chicken, take a heavy bottom pan and heat it. At the first layer of rice, we have taken half of the cooked rice. Above the rice, spread the chicken along with gravy as shown in the video. Now add the balanced rice on the top of the chicken layer. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon. Sprinkle 1 tablespoon mint lace. Close the lid and cook on low heat for 7 to 8 minutes. After 8 minutes, switch off the flame, but keep it rest for at least 20 minutes. It will be more fine if we can keep it for 45 minutes before opening. Once you open the lid, mix the rice and chicken very well. We have good smell of biryani. Our simple chicken biryani for bachelors and beginners is ready. It's a very easy chicken biryani recipe. We don't require much previous cooking experience.
If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.